friends, it's move-in day. It is January 11th. I hope you all are having an amazing day. I'm so excited and stoked for this video. I do have to get dressed before I get anything done, so let's just get to it. Okay, so I think I am pretty much dressed. I just want to put on some press on nails to look cute. But let me tell you the plan today. First, I am going to clean up a little bit more, or like pack a little bit more. We are moving like 10 minutes away, so I am going to be coming back and forth today and tomorrow. So the movers are here and I'm so excited. My heart is beating, but let's get it. With the excitement, there is also sadness in my heart because I remember when I was moving here and I was 4 months pregnant, a single mom, and I knew that moving to this apartment was a new journey for me and my family. And now we're moving. We've been here for almost 3 years. Sorry about my mask, but you guys, like, I'm so blessed that I had the opportunity to be at this apartment. Even Ethan grew up here. He's almost 3 years old. He's 2.5, so he's been here with me. He grew up at this house, and so I'm just cleaning up. There's still kind of a lot of things, but wow, like, it's just so crazy. I just got here about, I would say 15-20 minutes ago, and I just feel so blessed, and I thank God so much for this opportunity. I can't do an empty house tour because I didn't make it in time. I didn't have enough time to come here to check it out before the movers came. So I am currently trying to put everything together, but I guess that's a sneak peek, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this video. A little emotional, but I'm always emotional, and I'm just so thankful, and I'm feeling really blessed. Guys, today is my official last day at this apartment. I'm pretty much done, but I kind of want to show you guys how my apartment looks like and where I have been living for almost the past 3 years. I have been so blessed to get the opportunity to be at this apartment. I loved it. It wasn't the best, but I am so grateful that I lived here and I had a roof over my head for my family and I was just so thankful, and am still so thankful and ready for a new journey at my new house. So with that being said, here is an empty tour of my old apartment. Guys, so I was living here at apartment 3, and we're gonna just go right in. It was ground level, but it does have a little step right here. So when you first walk in, to the right is the living room. So this was a pretty big space. Right here is just an empty space. We used it for the kids. And then to the left is the kitchen. I still have all of my cleaning supplies. But anyways, here to the left is the dining area. Then right here, we're going into the kitchen. It wasn't a big kitchen as far as the cabinets and stuff, but we made it work. Here's the stove, and yeah, so this is the kitchen. That is where the fridge went, and it did only come with the stove and that vent top thing. And then after the living room, we are gonna walk into the first bathroom. So this apartment is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. So this is the bathroom, and that's how it looks like. There is water damage, so I know we're gonna be charged for that. I still need to deep clean the bathroom, so that's what I'm going to do after I'm done recording this video. But here is the entryway to go into the rooms. So I like the storage space. It served us well. I kept all of like the vacuum and brooms and stuff in here. I need to clean that, so I'm gonna leave that open. Right over here, we kept all the towels, and then up there, we had some pots, and there we had laundry detergent stuff, kids' toys, and all the extra storage stuff we place in here. Oh, and I gotta take that. All right, so here is the first bedroom. It is not the master bedroom. This one still also needs to be cleaned, but this was my brother's room, so he's gonna clean it. And you guys, I know it's messy, but this is the room, and this is the closet. So yeah, he's still gonna come and clean this. I have no idea where all this stuff came from, but I'm sure when he was maybe packing, he just dumped the trash on the floor. And then we come to the left, and this is my master bedroom. So we have a big closet. It does have some shelves, so you can, put your shoes or whatever. It also has a shelf up top. And I just kept Ethan's clothes that didn't fit him yet up there. And then we come to this side. This side was my side. That side was Ethan's side, so I used the shelving for him. And then we have this big old window that I don't like, and I know we're gonna get charged for the missing blinds. I think they might just throw it out, but there's a new property management here, so I'm sure they're going to update this space better than how they left it for me. But then we're going into my master bathroom. Yeah, this is tiny, but again, I was so grateful for this bathroom. The toilet was not new when I came here, so it is not the best. Like, it's very stained, if you guys can see, and I've tried using multiple things, but it is what it is. Even the inside of here, I don't even know if I want to show you, but it's like orange in there, you guys, and that's how it was when I moved in. So we just have a standing shower, and I cleaned it to the best that I can. It was chipping a little bit, but I didn't fix it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. But it came with this big cabinet that I used. And look, this is just an example of how the paint job was done. So it just easily peels off, which is normal wear, I guess. So there's that. And yeah, so that is it for this video. I am gonna continue cleaning up and deep cleaning so that we can get our deposit back. And you know, I just don't want to leave it a mess, but I know that like the walls especially is hard to clean because they're so delicate because the paint comes off. So right here is an example. It was coming off, and then my niece, you know, pulled the rest off. So I'm going to clean all of these walls. I am going to clean this bathroom and also clean up the walls in here for the living room and vacuum. Hi, house. You were so good. Thank you, God.
Where's the key? Give me another shoe.
Bye.
Say bye, CeeLo. Say bye.
It's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say bye, living room. Let's go say bye to the bathroom. Say bye, bathroom. Say bye, bathroom. Okay, you gotta go pee-pee?